Hello my friends all over the world, wherever you are. William Poloniak here again at Whole Health Foundation. And today I'm going to juice the rest of my sugar cane that I had cut when I made my last video. Let's take a look at the introduction to my last video before I cut the skin off this, and I'm going to show you a few other tips. Most Asian markets sell sugar cane, and what I'm going to do is make sugarcane juice on a premium Whole Health Foundation hydraulic juicer, which is very similar to a Norwalk juicer, and in another video I show you the differences and why a Whole Health Foundation juicer is a little bit better model. You want to do a close-up of the logo here just so we show that, and I'll explain the differences and why the Whole Health Foundation premium juicer is a better model. However, here we have a piece of sugar cane, and the first thing I'm going to do is cut a 1/2 inch off both ends to get rid of any mold or anything. Then I'm going to cut it into 1-foot sections. The last time when I cut the outer skin off the sugar cane, I didn't take enough of the skin off, so this time I'm going to take off more of the outer layer, because it's very, very tough. So rather than take off about a 1/16 of an inch of outer layer, I'm going to try to get an 1/8 inch or more. Get the last of this outer layer off. And we'll cut the tips off. We'll throw this stuff away. And you can see mine broke here, but we're going to now make some sugarcane juice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 6-blade near zero blowback cutter, which incidentally shreds produce over 4 degrees cooler. Now, as you can see, I'm also using the front loading feed tube, but first we'll install the cutter. And I'm going to collect my pulp inside of a jar. Now, the key with sugarcane is to feed it through very, very slowly. Taken the feed tube off, and you can see here that the sugar cane is very, very fibrous. It probably would have been a good idea to feed some ice cubes through, and next time I make sugar cane juice I will definitely feed through some ice cubes. Now, one thing I'm also going to do to extract as much of the sugar cane juice as possible is I'm going to add a little bit of water to the sugarcane pulp to extract a little more of the sugarcane essence. Not much, just a little bit. And we'll put this pulp in here as well. Mix that with the water and the rest of the pulp. Now I'm going to put half this container of pulp in a cloth that I keep exclusively for sugar cane, and we'll press this out. Normally I would press 2 cloths full at once, but I'm going to just use 1 cloth this time. Make sure my tray's on there securely all the way back, and back it off a little bit. And once I get juice full, I'll advance that all the way. Put the rest of the pulp on top of the spent pulp. My goodness, that's dry. And let's get a spatula and get the rest of that pulp out of there. Now, the advantage to the Whole Health Foundation model is you can leave the press up indefinitely, and that's because of the solid bottom plate, which incidentally has a lifetime warranty. Now you'll see my steady stream has turned into droplets. When that happens, you've extracted practically all of your juice. Take a look at the pulp, which is very, very dry. No juice in that whatsoever. Let's pour this sugarcane juice into a bottle, and then we'll do a taste test. Now for a taste test. Oh, that's delicious. Nothing like fresh sugarcane juice. It's not as sweet as sugar, but it is chock full of nutrients. Well, I hope you like what you've seen. I would recommend that you alternate ice cubes with the sugarcane when you're shredding it, both to hydrate the pulp and to cool the cutter. If you like what you've seen, please tell a friend. If you'd like to call me, my phone number is 760-753-0321. My email address is developtrust@cox.net, and my webpage is wholehealthfound.com. I'll see you in the next video. Boy, that's delicious.